Once in the southern countryside, an aged plantation with a grim history where numerous lives endured the cruelty of heartless overseas. A politician named Duke perceived opportunity to exploit the plantation for his political campaign. Duke was cautioned by the community about the tragic incidents, but Duke remained unshaken. There was a vintage painting adorned in the room depicting the people, and it is believed that these are the spirits of people those who had suffered on the plantation. One night knock echoed at the door. Investigating, Duke found nothing, but sensed something drafting fast between his legs. Duke turned and approaches the room to check what had happened. As he saw the painting, he was confronted with the startling absence of figures from the artwork. Duke now started to believe plantation's eerie history and the stories tied to the painting. As he spun around, all tiny malevolent figures once confined to the painting started to attack Duke, feasting on his flesh until the Duke succumbed to his fate of painful death.